So we're turning our front yard into a hummingbird cafe. So this is gonna be fun. These are the little packets that we use, and they're such a smart idea because hummingbird nectar is one of those things that you want to do right, but you don't want to be sticky and have it be a big production every time. These are pre-measured, so there's no guessing, and they mix instantly in cold water. No boiling, no waiting. And I really like that the nectar is clear with 0 artificial dyes or preservatives, so it's easy and it feels clean and simple. This item was gifted to me by the brand, and I'm genuinely excited to get it because it feels like one of those small upgrades that adds a little joy to our everyday at our home. The feeder is Hummer's Galore, and one detail I really appreciate is the built-in ant moat, because ants always try to crash the party, right? And this helps keep the unwanted insects away. Jim's shaking up the mixture in the bottle right now. So this top and base are removable, so refilling and cleaning doesn't turn into a big sticky project. We're hanging ours in our front crabapple tree, and I'm so excited because we can watch it right from our dining room window every single day. It's in our front yard court, so it's going to be one of those simple little daily joys. Coffee, a quick glance outside, and hopefully a few tiny visitors stopping by. Home sweet home tip. Place your feeder where you'll actually see it every day, because the whole point is the moment it brings. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.